असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
In the southern coastal region of the vibrant state of Odisha, amidst lush greenery and serene surroundings, lies a temple of higher education. Welcome to Berhampur University, aptly called as Bhanj Bihar, established on the 2nd of January 1967, known for its rich academic heritage and commitment to excellence. Since its inception, the university is guided by a profound vision and strives to illuminate the path of knowledge through its pragmatic thinking, cutting-edge research, and value-based teaching. The university spans over more than 200 acres of lush green campus known as Bhanj Bihar, named after the harbinger of Odisha literature, Kavi Samrat Upendra Bhanj. Dr. A.N. Khosla, the then governor of Odisha, was the first chancellor, and Justice Lingaraj Panigrahi was the first vice chancellor of the university. The university started with a humble beginning of 11 affiliated colleges and has expanded its horizons to 180 affiliated colleges and one constituent college, catering to the youth aspirations of 7 districts of South Odisha.
This is a leading university in South Odisha, catering to the aspirations of people of South Odisha, and in which 4 districts are having more than 50% of STs and SCs in the population. ST population is very high in 4 districts. So that is why our mandate is inclusiveness and access.
At present, the university houses 24 postgraduate departments offering programs such as Masters, PhD, D.Lit, Certificate and Self-Financing courses in the streams of Science, Humanities and Business Studies. With more than 2,500 students and a dedicated team of teaching and non-teaching staffs, the university stands as a beacon of education, shaping the future leaders of tomorrow. The university has a distinction of being one of the few universities in India to offer courses on military sciences. With state-of-the-art facilities and interactive learning tools, we empower our students to explore, discover and excel.
It is a university where academics is very strong. University emphasizes on 3 things: academics, research and extension.
Central to our academic ethos are our exceptionally qualified faculty members who mentor and motivate the future leaders. Beyond traditional classroom instruction, We believe in holistic development of students. From distinguished lecture series featuring esteemed academicians and industry professionals to a spectrum of extramural activities, we provide a comprehensive learning experience that transcends conventional textbooks and exams.
Our top priority is also to maintain the quality of teaching, research, and also the social responsibility of all the stakeholders. As a result, we maintain sustain the quality of education, and we deliver the best as expected by the parents, society, and the government.
Transparency and efficiency are core value of our examination system. We take pride in implementing an automated examination system that efficiently manages the entire examination process. Embracing a green initiative, the institution has implemented the eSamarth platform and e-office for day-to-day activities, fostering infrastructure development and enhancing the capacities of both teaching and non-teaching staffs in a commitment to becoming a paperless institution.
Berhampur University is taking various welfare measures for all employees and students of these institutions to increase its visibility. As a part of 5T program, we have started eSamarth and eOffice in these institutions, which has increased the efficacy of all employees of these institutions.
Our library, named after the second Vice Chancellor of the university, R.P. Padhe, has more than 150,000 books and around 100 print journal subscriptions. Diversifying its informational resources, the library expanded its acquisitions by subscribing to electronic platforms such as the Jester database and Delnet resources. The library features a talking library designed to aid visually challenged individuals, reflecting our commitment to inclusivity. In addition to offering e-library services, we are actively building a digital library to ensure seamless access to electronic and digitized materials for all patrons. Since its inception, research has been a core agenda of Berhampur University. The university is equipped with a specialized Central Instrumentation Center, a dedicated research and development cell, Biju Patnaik Computer Center, and various labs across different departments. The university has been granted 3 centers of excellence supported by the Odisha Higher Education Program for Excellence and Equity Project of the Government of Odisha under the World Bank. In addition to ongoing institutional projects, faculty members and scholars are actively involved in over 40 research projects, securing grants exceeding 14 crores from esteemed funding agencies such as DST, DPT, DAE, ICMR, ICSSR, and other leading institutions. The university has also gained recognition through a number of patents, both nationally and internationally. As a key player in shaping academic dialogue, the university regularly hosts national and international conferences.
In the last 4 years, our faculty members have published more than 1,000 journal articles in reputed journals, Scopus and Web of Science journals. So this indicates that the research in the university is growing day by day. And also we took measures for patents. In fact, the patents was not there by the university before. In the last 2 years, the university has applied 10 patents. So this is for the first time university got a record number of patents.
Apart from the research excellence, Berhampur University has signed a number of MOUs. The university has established strong partnership with leading institutions like World Trade Center, CYSD, CSIR, IMMT, IISER Berhampur to work in the areas of research and collaboration. The university proactively collaborates with foreign universities and institutions of national repute such as Hamburg University and University of Tübingen in Germany, the Association of Commonwealth Universities, UK, National Institute of Rural Development, Zoological Survey of India, the Institute of Company Secretaries, Wildlife Trust of India, to name a few.
We have already signed MOU with 21 institutions at present, and there are many in the pipeline that also will add to the networking system. So because the university is a center of learning, and it should have network with other universities and other centers of higher learning so that the faculty and the students get the benefit out of it.
To facilitate academic upgradation and skill development of the faculty members, the university has established a Human Resource Development Center in 2018. Recognizing its progress, the UGC has designated the center as Malavia Mission Teacher Training Center since 2023. The center has conducted NEP orientation and sensitization programs for successful implementation of the National Education Policy 2020. A series of faculty development and refresher programs have been conducted by the center.
And it is a very good news for all the faculty members. They are so happy to when it was approved by the UGC. So now we are the third university in Odisha having an academic staff college apart from Utkal and Sambalpur.
The university offers secure accommodation for its campus dwellers. Accommodation facilities are provided for students in multiple gents and ladies hostels, including a working women hostel. The campus houses well-built duplexes and flats for faculties and staffs with necessary amenities for convenient stay. With its vibrant, lush green surroundings and safe atmosphere, the campus fosters a welcoming ambience, creating a sense of home away from home for all residents. The university is committed to the holistic development of its students through extension and outreach activities. With a mission to connect the campus to the community, the NSS units of Berhampur University have adopted 3 villages and taken many constructive steps which act as a bridge to connect the university with the community. The regular activities like plantation program, blood donation camp, women's sanitization awareness campaign, tobacco-free society campaign, campaign against dowry and child marriage, beach cleaning, and many more. Such initiatives are the testimony to the university's social commitment for its stakeholders. To develop the leadership skills of the volunteers, the university promotes adventure activities like mountaineering, rock climbing, rappelling, and beach trekking at various adventure destinations. In an exemplary initiative under the mission Sikhya Daan, NSS volunteers of Berhampur University have taken up the noble responsibility of teaching students at the university's upper primary school.
The purpose of a university is to reach the community. So through our NSS, we reach the community, and our outreach activity is definitely one of the best in the country, and we are number 1 in the state. We conduct throughout the year, we conduct a number of programs through NSS.
Observing national and international days of importance is a salient feature of Berhampur University. Celebrations of Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Netaji Jayanti add a patriotic flavor to the campus and instill our commitment to nation building. In addition to this, International Yoga Day, National Education Day, National Press Day, World Heritage Week, Women's Day, and Human Rights Day are observed to create awareness and sensitize students. Festivals like Holi and Diwali, graced by the presence of our Vice Chancellor, are cherished moments that bring our university community together. The university proudly organizes various national and state level competitions such as the Orissa Inter-University Athletic Meet, East Zone Inter-University Women Kabaddi Tournament and Nuwa Orissa Sports Fest, providing invaluable platforms for aspiring athletes. In addition to hosting these prestigious events, our students have brought immense pride to the university by competing in renowned competitions like Khelo India and inter-university athletic meets held at various universities nationwide. Notably, our female athletes have consistently excelled, clinching medals in weightlifting and kabaddi at the national level. Berhampur University has always kept its stakeholders on the front and has taken several steps to enhance the ambience of the campus. University runs a school for the students of the local community to facilitate secondary and higher secondary education. The university is also equipped with a state-of-the-art primary health center with round-the-clock ambulance services. The campus has 2 nationalized banks and post office to fulfill the banking needs of the stakeholders. Berhampur University is highly committed to environmental concerns. Battery-operated vehicles run on campus for old age and differently abled people. Solar trees and solar lamp posts have been installed throughout the campus, moving in the direction of energy self-sufficiency. Several rainwater harvesting facilities are built to conserve and manage rainwater. A botanical garden and medicinal herb garden are made to make the campus carbon neutral. Under the visionary leadership of Vice Chancellor Professor Geetanjali Das, the past 2 years have been a period of remarkable achievements for Berhampur University. The university has been recognized with prestigious awards, including the Green Campus Award, Plastic Free Campus Award, and NSS State Best Program Officer and Unit Award. Moreover, individual faculty members have excelled in various fields, receiving a total of 261 awards. Not only students and faculties, the Vice Chancellor Professor Geetanjali Das has brought fame and visibility to the university by assuming the role of President of Indian Political Science Association and Secretary General of Network of Asia Pacific Schools and Institutes of Public Administration and Governance. These accolades stand as a testament to the university's unwavering commitment to excellence. Berhampur University proudly hosts 3 prestigious awards named Kabi Samrat Upendra Bhanj Samman, Dakshina Orissa Loka Sanskriti Samman, and Distinguished Alumni Award to honor the extraordinary contributions of notable individuals in diverse fields. The university has established the South Odisha Culture Studies Center, dedicated to the study and research of the region's culture and literature. The study center boasts a collection of more than 2,000 palm leaf manuscripts and 7,000 paper manuscripts and periodicals bearing the essence of South Odisha history and culture. Large number of tribal artifacts as well as materials depicting folk traditions are on display, which gives a peek into the heart of South Odisha.
It can be developed into a museum with the support of state government. We have already applied for that. Apart from South Odisha, and we can have a very good start good research also in that center, and a Telugu chair is proposed to be established in that center by the government of Andhra Pradesh.
To showcase the hidden talents of students, university conducts inter-college cultural competitions among students. Champions of different competitions get a larger platform to showcase their talents. Besides conducting regular cultural fest, university has successfully organized the 37th East Zone Inter-University Youth Festival Umang 2024 under the aegis of Association of Indian Universities. Around 600 participants from 4 states and 16 universities participated in the 5-day-long cultural extravaganza.
We are talking in terms of Vikasit Bharat. If we want to have a Vikasit Bharat as envisioned by our Honorable Prime Minister, then we have to really invest in our youth. So that is our objective, to invest in our youth inside the classroom and outside the classroom.
In the last 2 years, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Geetanjali Das has guided her focus towards creating a vibrant and welcoming environment that enhances the overall students' experience in Bhanj Bihar. To foster the sense of unity, pride and integrity, a 100 feet long flag post carrying the Indian national flag has been installed in the university campus. The national flag symbolizes pride and respect among the staffs, teachers and student community. Celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Berhampur University formed a mega human chain displaying a 100 feet long India map of tricolor to create a memorable and impactful moment that fosters a sense of pride, unity and community among its fraternity.
घर घर तिरंगा, हर घर तिरंगा, घर घर तिरंगा, हर घर तिरंगा। घर घर तिरंगा, रथ घर तिरंगा, घरो घरी तिरंगा, प्रत्येक घरी तिरंगा।
आसमान को पाना है, आसमान से आगे जाना है।
नए भारत की नई कहानी अब आसमां को सुनाना है।
गर्व है इस तिरंगे पर, सारे जहां को ये दिखाएंगे।
अमृत काल मनाएंगे,